Hi, and welcome to my tutorial of WordPress. Now, WordPress is a cool application. I use the application of WordPress. It's a cool application that allows you to easily build a website. Instead of going through, many pages of HTML and PHP, you're able to create a website based off of templates that WordPress generates for you. One of the cool things of the templates is that you can change different aspects of it. For example, when the template first came, it just had a website title right here, and I was able to easily change it to Kyle's 380 project. I was also able to add a picture to my header. I know it's a little low res, but kind of got blown out. I was able to add a post. I made a blog, and I was able to add posts to my blog. Fairly easy. I was also able to add comments on the page. Now, the view that we're looking through at the website right now is the administration view, and through here we can change things. This post right here was added by a guest I created. The guest name is KM. I'm sorry, user account I created. The user account was named KM, and I was able to comment great posts. Then I was also able to comment as a guest through my guest plugin that I will explain momentarily. But as I said before, this is, as you see, I said hi, I'm a guest through a guest account. But as I said before, this is an administrator account, and with the administrator's account, I'm able to edit my website. Excuse my slow connection. But as you see, I'm able to view all the posts that's on my website. I'm able to view the library of my website, which is all the photos and things that I have. That's where I got the elephants from. And I actually uploaded the elephant pictures to the media part of my website. As you see, I'm also able to edit the pages and add pages. I can edit any comments that's up there. I can also edit guest comments. Now, the cool thing about this is that, as an administrator, I'm able to approve and disapprove different things, like comments. If a user wanted to post something inappropriate or something I just didn't like, I can delete the comment, and the comment would not show up. As I said before, this is my plugin that I added called Guest Post, and this allows you to come across my website and add a comment without having an account. We'll get to that in a moment. Plugins are pretty cool. Like I said, the whole purpose of WordPress is to allow you to easily create a website without having to get really deep into the coding point. And through this, we're able to add different things, like I said, the guest comment feature I was able to add through one click. I was also able to add a plugin that this one right here, I cannot pronounce the name, I don't want to butcher it, but it allows me to block spam that's coming in from outside of my website. Nice little filter. It came already with a couple plugins installed. The plugins that I did install was Guest Post plugin and Forms by Website Toolbox. And this allows me to be able to have a form on my website. I did have the Hello Dolly, but can't quite figure out how to get that one to work. But moving on, as you see, I can add more guests, and currently I have 2 guests on my website. One guest is called KM, and they're a subscriber, meaning that they can just come on my website and they can view the post that I added. They can leave comments, like a general subscriber would. Another one I added was a contributor, and they're able to post things to my website, sort of like an administrator, but without the administrator privileges. And this one right here is the administrator. This is the root. As you see, root. Now, each one of these users are able to log into my website. I'm logged in as root now because I'm the administrator. But let's say, KM wanted to come in. He would come in with his username, and he would also enter his password, just like you would with a regular website. I'm just gonna wait for this to log in. Excuse my internet connection. And as you see from a user, we're able to edit how our account looks. We can change the theme. We're gonna leave it at sunrise right now. As you see, it says Howdy KM, because right now username is KM1, but my name is KM. And from here, I'm able to, if this was a real running website, I would be able to, add basic information about me, like my name. We can edit that to Kyle Marshall if you want. And we can show, how our name will be seen to others. Change that to Kyle. And this is my email address that I will have. As you see, it's just test.test.com because I didn't want to connect any of my personal emails to it. I also have a website, and this is for if I was a user on this website, I can have my website linked to it. Just a little, bio about me. And I can add a profile picture if I want. And I can also change my password. And if I click here, if your page isn't right here, if I click update profile, this will change to Kyle. And we can go view the website from a user point of view, no longer an administrator point of view. As you see, most of it's the same. It says I'm Kyle. But as you see, I can't add any posts right now because I'm a subscriber. All I can do is add comments. Right now, my guest plugin isn't enabled because I'm a user right now and not a guest. And I can say, nice post. And I can post my post. I'm sorry, post my comment. As you see, I left the comment. And as you see right here, your comment is waiting moderation. I have to go into the administrator account to approve that so it can appear to people other than me. And this is my forms plugin. One more cool thing about WordPress is that, it takes a pretty short time to upload to get your website published and ready for the rest of the world to see. Right now, I'm just going to show you what it is, what the guest plugin does. As you see, no one's logged in. So if I just type in, this is my website. Right now, I have no URL, so it's just computer based. Nice little. As you see, no one's logged in. And from here, I can go to different posts and leave a comment. We're gonna do this one because this one so far doesn't have any comments on it. And I can say very cool. And since I don't have an account, I'm able to leave information. And I can just say Steve the student. And I can leave an email address, and I can also leave my website. So if I was just browsing on the internet and I came along this website, we can leave a post. And we're going to post it. And as you see again, it says your comments waiting for moderation, which means I have to go into my administrator account to edit that. And one last thing I want to show is what happens to posts that hasn't been approved yet. And as you see, the second post that we made, the first post that we made, isn't yet available for others to see because it's not yet approved. And the last thing we're going to do is log back in as administrator. Oops, sorry about that. And this is a different user. And now that we're back here as administrator, we can see that there's 2 new posts that we have to approve. And let's approve this one and this one. And if we go back to our site, you can see that now this one has 1 comment and this one has 3, because the comments that we approved are now uploaded here. Like I said, WordPress is pretty cool because you're allowed to make websites pretty fast, and you don't have to use code if you don't want to, but if you want to be more in depth, like create your own plugins, you can if you wanted to. And this is it running on my account. Thank you for watching.